In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am Professor Ameer. I hope that you'll be doing well. Let us learn irregular forms of verbs and their use in sentences. Part 1. C. Number 1 word is bring. Second form, brought. Third, brought. Fourth, bringing. Sentences. Please bring something to eat. He brought a few things for his breakfast. I have brought only water. She is bringing a cake for her sister's birthday. Number 2. Break. Second form, broke. Third, broken. Fourth, breaking. Sentences. He can break a brick with his hand. He could not break two sticks together. He broke one stick easily. He has broken many sticks separately. He is breaking sticks one by one. Number 3. Come. Second form, came. Third, come. Fourth, coming. Sentences. I come here daily. He comes here on Sundays. My friend came here yesterday. He wanted to come here yesterday, but he couldn't. My friend has also come today. I think they are coming here. I have been coming here for many years. Number 4. Go. Second form, went. Third, gone. Fourth, going. Sentences. I go college daily. I want to go college today. I have to go college today. I had to go college, so I could not come to you. He went college yesterday. I did not go college yesterday. My friend has gone out for some work. He had gone before I came here. I am going for shopping today. I have been going there for many days. My friend had been going there whenever he was free. Number 5. Throw. Second form, threw. Third, thrown. Fourth, throwing. Sentences. I can throw this ball straight in the line. He throws the ball with left hand. He has to throw the ball fast. He had to throw the ball, but he failed. He threw the ball, but it missed the wickets. I have thrown the ball hastily. We had thrown flowers over him when he won the competition. He is throwing the ball in the left side. He has been throwing the ball faster than others. I had been throwing the ball with full force. I think this video is useful to you. If you find this useful, like this video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.